Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System section. Then tap on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Rebirth. Finally, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!